October,
last
ganun
year.
ba?
October.
October,
yeah.
October. Doon ba kayo naging close talaga?
Actually,
You've always been friends.
yeah, we've always been friends. Kaya lang there was a time na we don't get to see each other
Oo.
much. Yung gano'n, hindi kami nakakapag-usap.
Doon nag-develop talaga yung friendship.
I think so. Even with Arnel, I mean,
Oo.
people are asking kasi, bakit sila yung guest mo? I think nga because of the fact that we had a great time together in Italy, all of us. Feeling ko, sige, pag gumawa ako ng show, gusto ko sila ulit yung kasama because it was really fun. And hindi nga kami nagtrabaho, pati yung show, yung parang we were just, parang nagre-rehearse lang kami na, maski na anong gusto nating sabihin, okay lang, you know what I mean?
Regine seems to be a really thoughtful friend kasi yung gown na talagang gusto ko dun sa TV special ni Pop. Sinabi niya, it came from you, the black one, na medyo see-through ng konti.
Favorite niya yun.
Parang ganda!
Oh, hindi kasi, nung time na yon, we went to, diba, nagpunta tayo ng Europe. Tapos after nun, pumunta akong, dumiretso ako ng States. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, meron ka bang kailangan pabili? Gusto niya yung boots ko, so binilang ko siya.
I ordered
sabi ko, sige, bilang din kita ng damit. So binilang ko siya ng
Napaka-generous na kaibigan.
Next time magpaparinig naman ako. Kotse, para may kasamang bahay.
Mahirap ba maging magkaibigan when you're in similar fields? Like, you're both recording artists, you're both concert performers.
I don't know. I don't think so.
Nakakailangan ba?
I don't think so.
Or happy kayo for the success of each other?
Yeah, because I also have friends, not in similar fields, they're not singers or anything, but they're from the business, and I get along with them very well. I think it's really just a matter of choosing the right people. Hindi naman kasi lahat ng taga-showbiz showbiz. Alam mo
Totoo
yun?
Yes, Regine?
Sa akin lang, siguro yung pinakamahirap na part lang is that yung effort, but then again, gano'n naman lahat naman, like kahit yung mag-boyfriend, kailangan mo pa rin ng extra effort para lang maasikaso mo yung friendship or yung relationship mo.
You mean yung effort to make time for each other because busy yung mga schedule?
Yes. That one, yes. Yun lang yung pinaka-difficult yung sa amin, I guess. Pero, other than that, wala namang masyado. Walang anything.
Alam mo, there's one person here besides myself na thrilled talaga, and that's my AP, si Louie. Dahil yun ang talaga, every time nagpapagupit ka, nagpapagupit din yun, Regine. Pag nagpapakulay ka, nagpapakulay. So, ito talaga, please do this for him. Can we request a duet from both of you? Sample lang ho ito ng mapapanood din nyo sa Shine Concert ni Pop. Sabi ni Regine, tell him daw kasi yun daw yung kinanta niya sa special.
Okay, sige. Ano talaga?
Advice mo kaya talaga kay Regine? You tell him how, di ba yung how you feel, yung parang someone who's been there, telling somebody na,
lumabas ka, makipag-date ka!